Hey, I'm little Demetrius, and hi, my name is Naziah, and 1, 2, 3 Toys Review.
We're 1, 2, 3 Toys Review. And what we got here today is what?
Sunday treats.
Play-Doh, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what we got here is
Don't touch
strawberry ice cream. She's going to be opening that, Naziah. And we got apple. And we got ice cream scoop at the top. And we got the bananas. And we got 2 ice cream cups. And we have a pear. And we have a strawberry. And here's the ice cream scooper. Like I said, this was the top. Okay. Oops. Okay. Naziah, open the Play-Doh. Get you the fruits. Get you the fruits.
Me and her can put a Play-Doh.
Naziah's going to put the Play-Doh. And put it inside here.
In here? I can help her. If I want you to, but not right now.
And she's rolling it. Put it inside.
And a little more.
And then she's going to put. This how it should look. The Play-Doh should be inside. She's going to push it, the top down, and it's going to bust up ice creams. Oops. And get the cup. And she's putting it in the cup. And here's what it looks like. Now we're going to get a little more. We're going to get a little more Play-Doh. Put a little more in there. Here you go, Naziah. Gonna put a little more Play-Doh inside.
There's my turn.